Basti is side.
They work Buko Banku. Like they use their to do is into the ring.
It is chumps.
So they work Buko Banku.
So the right turn of
Buko Banku.
Like when Buko Banku is fight, when he jab, his son is do like this. Yes, she Buko Banku get my training car. I mean, I work Buko Banku. No, get Buko Banku much like no.
I mean, 5 now, no. I don't pay you the beef. I mean, to wash. I will make any be. I mean, fit up a Banku.
I see the fight that Basti go and do something in.
I'm a camera bank, one more bank still, as Yambu was still almost supportive. When you support it?
Me supporters. Small boys are talking.
Oh no.
Small boys are talking. They don't know nothing. Boss, they do know the inside, master. Master, I want to tell all the Ghanaians again. I'm accept my lose. But say boom. But the person me could retain fight.
Now, how do you feel when?
I'm not feeling.
Last time I will lose.
Master, I'm not feeling bad in my life because.
And show.
Oh, master, I put all.
And sell record.
Master, record. Master,
record.
Master, listen to me. Azuma Narison. You know Azuma Narison. Say what lose that. Oh yeah, 3 times world champion. WBC, you have the 10 years. He lose. I caught it. He lose. You understand? Game boy, he have the lose. Joshua Clottey, he has a lose. Well, if I get the lose, what happened? What again? I'm losing the fight. I say I'm going to correct my mistake to come again, to come and win the fight. But still, Samuel, he can't fit me because all the rounds, Buko Banku they lead.
Oh shit, social media, man for the nyoma bebre atu bebre srew.
Master, Ghana, you know Ghana. You know Ghana. Ghana, they like talking. Ghana, if you lose, they talk something. If you win all the time, on can't Banco champion, so lose on my so wow, me, I don't listen to anything. Master, I don't listen to any media. I don't listen to any Facebook. I don't watch any social media. I don't want it. If you lose, they're talking. Or they start to talking. If it's somebody talking, master, and shimmy cry.
We a fight. No one Nathaniel Atto interview and
Debbie.
Because on social media, me who questions be not be sound. Almost say not be sound. Say no who Bastiano say that guy is a very wicked guy.
Oh, I mean, me catch this. Master, Ghana there. So who can you make us say BC D? Me there, I'm close to my eardrum. Or if it's somebody talking something, I don't care. Master, you can insult me. You can call to fire me. I don't care. I'm losing the fight. All the Ghanaians know that I'm losing the fight. I'm going to correct my mistake to come 6th of March. I'm ready for Basti Samuel.
For higher Kasapa 102.5 FM show near Benwaga 2 shows to the past 7 Brahma Kamoko.
Yabumi, Ghana, Yabumi, Yabumi, Majamtum, to say Yabumi. Boss in there lose, draw, win. I'm win 29. If they lose, come.
Is it 28 or
29 fight, 27 knockout. If you are losing today, it's in my record. You understand me? If you are losing today, that means that I don't be a world champion. That means that
before the bout, who can baby say Ulusu fight, who been knock it, but still our round 6.
Yes.
Ulusu, young pound figure, okay.
Yes. Only they say it's a yobby. You understand? Oh, master, boss, you bracking. You understand? You bracking, and the people. Yeah, master, see, me a Ghana, I have the Ghanaian passport. 1 minute to me upon me. I say, boss, you talking lot of things. You bragging, and the people come and go. Master, it's true that at the talk.
Okay.
Tomorrow evening time, we want to see the devil. But I will show us that the Muslim the king of the ring. I'm African governor. I'm the legend of us. I'm the one who control the game. By the help of God, I want to tell all my sons when I don't stop fasting on 6.
Master, you know Muhammad Ali. Now you know Muhammad Ali. He's bracking, and people come and watch the fight. I'm a bracking man. I'm the talking man in the nation. But you know that I'm a good boss. I say, my jump to say my lose. My jatum, you booming. Ghana, you booming. I understand. But retain fight the American.
Only I caught it. Or baby, only no intent to say, what down for.
It's my senior brother. We are out there for area.
Our colleague, no.
And your colleague, Bukum boys.
Bukum.
And we are the Bukum boys.
Now, after the fight, no, on the Wakasa.
They be crying, I mean,
by them say, not me share a video, no, me share bout, no. I say, ya bo no na a koye di mano. Say, only no problem, man.
They be. Master, you don't know Ghana. They born you in Ghana, Accra. They born you Ghana.
They born me for Ghana.
They born you Ghana, but you don't know Ghana.
I know Ghana.
Me, I know Ghana. Me, I don't fear Ghana. I fear Togo. I fear Nigeria because they know, but me, they born me in Ghana. I know Ghana people. Master, boss in there, so if you get name, people, come on, if you get name, people, they wish you therefore to lose. I'm lose the fight. If it's somebody say, hey, I'm famine, I'm killing my eardrum, I'm killing my heart. If it's somebody talking something, I'm losing the fight. I'm going to prepare to come retain fight. If it's somebody say, hey, I'm famine, John Mama Paul lose the election. Yes, but
Mama Elusu, won't say,
Master, Mahu Bibia,
not say, yes, Mama Lucia, or Mama Bisa said. Tell it what happens. By you to lose.
Yes. What we say with their politics? Master, where they say, Master, say, you didn't by social media, Facebook, everywhere say, Mama say, Banku, I am farming.
Banku, who don't want NDC, Intina, amount for Bebre, and Yaji said, well, lose,
farming, Master. If I support your mama and the people they are regret me or people are go me against and family, I'm a NDC member. Do you understand?
NDC.
Master, me, my family for generation, we are all NDC. And they support mama. Mama, you know, MPP people like me. Lord Comey, he like me. Ajili Blancy. JN, everybody. I have the MPP support. Boko Haram people support me. They are MPP people. Who? Boko Haram people. They Boko area. They support me. They are all MPP. I'm a NDC. We all want together. If you go to fight somebody, make a politics. I don't care. Yeah, you are politics. Stadium, so Team in Bibriwa, As War, Kotoko War, Olympics War, Kwabibri. Everybody in support in art. Or if you support Joe Mama, it doesn't mean that I regret. Nana Akufo-Addo is my president in the Nana. I respect him very a lot because he's a Ghana president. You understand me? Or if you say Mama they lose the election, Yabubu Koma Kumasa, family, I kill him
after about no name Mahama Kasa.
Oh, Odimia Kasa.
Ofreo.
Master.
Ofreo.
Me, Ofreo me. Hey, I'm the legend.
I don't see them.
Oh. I see you have no go. Thank you, Daddy. God will bless you any day, anytime. Master, I lose the election. I lose the fight. If you say somebody say, Mama lose the election, that doesn't mean they beat me. Master, it's no correct answer. Don't mind them. Do you understand?
102.5.
I have MPP people support me. I have NDC people go me against. Do you understand? This is left and right. I have NDC people go me against. I have MPP people support me. NDC people support me. MPP people also go me against. Because they are one. Master, if I go to fight you make it in politics, I don't care. We finish politics. We have one gun.
After the what friend Basti?
But me one normal. But normal why you
but congratulating.
But meaning baby I don't want them person me we are.
Interview Basti.
Okay, Agege Olidade on. Oh, time in the echo could send me friend. Me friend no ye kasa.
Wo ye nyum editia no, to nyum bebre editia no. Wo nyum abona baso ana.
So omuso mu ye num say in Atlanta, omuso so mu ye num insult me or enum there we are all making in ourselves under no problem.
I take powers. I granted interview and Rami Shady.
Yeah.
I said the prophet TB Joshua. I can say maybe beba. You better pull when you must support because we need a group Anna Echo. Then I'll come out. I
eat the boys. More checking. Master, Sebibu I eat the powers are. Sebibu I eat the powers are cry. Any Kumase no or support two basi master and family. Master, so be abu. No obidi obiko na uko support two basi same and family. I eat the powers is my best friend. Listen to me. I eat the powers is my best friend. So say TB Joshua. See, ya be obi na TB Joshua on board power no die apetition no. Because I eat the boy debi awabubu. I eat the boy debi awabubu. What say boss no to me? Debi awabubu.
No more petition.
Oh, I eat the boy drinking master. You don't know I eat the boy. Debi awabubu. I eat the boy master. Oh, make a problem.
We bubu ana wabu.
Debi awabubu. Fonte debi is drinking. Oh, if he there inside the pool, he's drinking. If he there street, he's drinking. If he's sleeping, he's drinking. I eat the boy make a problem. I eat the boy scatter family. Oh. So I eat the boss in Yamia. I eat the boss. He go to make video to insult Buko Banguko. I don't care because he have the mental problem. So TB Joshua say, "Oh, you're correct, pastor." On board, Poma eat the boss. Don't stop the way he's drinking.
Say, I eat the boss. So we put will be at the mouth. Or two for Sunday boxing career and be quick TV.
What I want to tell him that the way he beat me, people have been insulting me, and I just don't talk. I just look at them. He have to take it down. People will insult him. He should hold his ass. He should hold his ass because if you don't take somebody because the person will say Basi is coming or Basi by or what they want and he want to do something, he will know what because the time he beat me. I faced those things. I faced a lot of things about the way he beat me. But because me, I'm not basa. If you insult me, I'll just look at you. I don't care. I don't care because you are insulting me. If I'm looking at you, you are not my class. So why I have to voice up and talk to you? But you you take your heart and put it on your hand. Everybody will. If the time Basi will fight Buko have to go to all the fans who have been supporting Basi just to beat them and do some rough thing. You don't understand the bossing.
What? So if you are the man, Yaboa Fanessa.
Master, what is my booby? Saturday evening, they insulted me. I don't care. Me, I have at more night. Me, I eat the powers. Choco, no, BC. Banco by I eat the powers. No, look, I no bushy. Olunina, recently. Why then I mean, reside now. What can I tell Banco? Oh, was catching me, Master. Book on the air ruffians. You understand? Our area, everybody is rough. If you are penny crowd, they don't respect you. If you are small broker, they don't respect. They insulting me. I don't care. Me, I get at more than 80 powers.
Buko Banco Twitter handle your then.
Said,
oh, Twitter.
Total, they matter only range over
Twitter.
Oh, David. Only WhatsApp na.
WhatsApp. Okay.
Me costume be that one person.
Sir, called here at Twitter say, "I am very sad. Say we lose you fight. Then I'll come out.
Oh, see there.
I say I'm very sad.
Oh, sir, called me say me best friend. And person mo catch me say, I feel no go. It's a game of chance. Boss they lose and draw and win. Oh, mo catch sir called here say, I feel no go. I'm going to train to come and face Baptiste 6th of March. Yes. Now, Master, if somebody call me. If somebody call me to insult me, oh, yesterday somebody called me in a private line. He said, Vancouver. He said, yeah. Oh, my friend, Abobonua Tuno, me see.
I said yes,
I'm bragging. I said, boss, if you know bragging, they don't know you. You bragging, people come and want the fight. You understand? This is my first time I lose the fight in the nation, but I'm happy. I'm happy, Master. I'm happy. If you are not happy, if you call me, I don't come here because if I feel me, I'm happy. People they call Banku, Master. I'm lose the fight, but this is not the correct lose.
Maybe my man surprise you and then I'm one down for one bono twice. Powers, I eat the powers. Our man, powers, good morning. More about the bar, I've been one made this work as a 102.5 FM. That's saying after Banku defeats no friend on the Nakaza. Oh, friend.
Banku thought me, I hate him and I hate him. And I've been telling people, and something said, Paul, go to Patrice camp and go to Banku, how your friend, how is training. And I went to his training. But I went to his training, the way I see he started training, he do get more exercise and he start punching back. After the punching back, he goes to fast. You understand me? And if I can see the condition for Buko Banku, I don't trust it. You understand me? And I go to Baptist camp, and if I see what Baptist is doing, I can say, oh, no, this thing there. And you know, Banku is somebody, you can't advise him, you can't tell him nothing. Banku is somebody, you can't advise him, you can't tell him nothing. So me, I'm just starting up. You understand me? So since that day, that time, I said, oh, this fight, the way I see Baptist condition, the Baptist can win the fight. Then I have a dream to Banku lose the fight by knockout. So it's like, I can see, this thing what I've seen in the Banku training and the dream I have, then Baptist is going to win. So I stopped saying Banku will win to people again. And I stopped telling people ask me about the fight. I said, oh, this fight, Baptist have advantage in this fight. People can't believe. You understand me? And I mean, some of the radio stations and everywhere. I don't know if in your Facebook, I come there and I said, Banku will lose.
Maybe in powers, I will say that Banku not fit for the fight.
Is that?
Oh, Castle Banku not yet fit one prepare for the bout and
you can't say on your feet, by the way, I'm the only condition
oh, Castle condition bang. Not then on here.
Training, you training now or training now. My say, until we need that because you won't participate now. My compare, we think Banku today we need this fight. You understand me? Yeah.
Nah. So why are you so happy that Banku lost the fight? I didn't.
Whenever comes to Banku's life, Banku has to accept it so that he will know how to live in Accra. Because Banku like they talking too much. Because when you don't look fight, he likes doing things you don't expect. Banku today, if you fight Banku today, Banku don't want anybody to back his opponent. And the boxing, we don't do boxing like that. If you want to fight Banku today, Banku would like to, fire with your supporters and just all the time. There is no like that. So this Banku has to handle himself. He will come down and stop. It's God who do that. Because I don't know if Banku won this fight, by this time people don't sleep and people will get their insulting and those things. So maybe it's God. So Banku to know how to mean the advice I will give him, people would like to insult him. People would like to insult him, the party by okay, but he have to take his act to go for about what people will say. That's what I think. And I don't mind people. I don't mind people if you talk about Banku by Banku. I don't care. You understand me? So you should take it easy. It's one of those things. That don't mean maybe he lose or he can. It will think about this.
But powers, a man for said Banku both twice. Accra ni Kumasi Intia ya. Itina na all supporting Bastino.
My boss, me Banku beat me twice or beat me 3 times. But it's not at me. What I'm saying, if you people will listen to what I'm saying, will hear what I'm talking to you people. But if Bati will beat Banku, I not to this extent. What I'm saying, if Bati will beat Banku, it's not to this extent.
I need to know when you are general. But okay, voice be who can say when you are
so whatever I said, I'm happy because Banku was led. He was humble himself through this fight. But you understand me? I'm talking about the way he raising 50 people and
Odia Banku na wa ha na nkasa Banku na wa ha. Odia can be chiano, can be or ha on nkasa. Ada wo show Banku still.
We don't know anything. Banku are police not making it. Let me show you why again. Me can't tell there. Me Banku pressure on family. Oh yeah, the correct way. Oh yeah, the correct way. One day walu.
Banku elusu to Basti. Who bet me Banku?
Banku. Let's say Basti.
Ah, how is who bet me Basti?
I don't know here. Now we look better there. Let's not be Bastiana.
I know to pass some of me no go.
That's what I said. Who can tell there? You to be Basti. What Babu go back? Who did that make me better in festival?
Okay, hold on. Banku, powers obey to me Basti. Powers obey to me Basti.
Powers. So obey to me Basti. Omunkoku maybe.
Powers bet to me Basti.
Listen, Powers bet to me Basti because Powers is a bosser. Yes, maybe he can win, maybe he can lose. You understand me? Or Powers over to me Basti. Me there, Theo, me person me catch Powers here. Yabumi. Me there, I'm still my lose. I'm facing my insulting. Master boss in there, if you know bragging, you are not a man. If you watch Muhammad Ali character like me,
but I didn't know old dada Powers no uncle for Basti.
Me dada, oh yeah, bossa.
I don't know, yes, sir.
Master, the way the Powers insulting me I don't talk. I don't ask me questions. I don't care. You go past the camp. I don't ask anything. Powers, confessing Basti.
Okay,
over to me.
But Powers, who can say Bukom or you juju de ko? Who approve? I found no so you juju at the con.
If Bukom carry Banku or no one catch the play, because there or catch the play there or the good be bad or no be that.
Hey, Banku, I know call it.
Or I be like my evidence, yo.
Okay, I'll say one I'll catch and say, what do you juju na?
Master, one say boss in this lose well. I'm off for can assembly and and fatami and family. Come on. Master
Banku member.
You make for them and I'll be fine.
Banku catch ya wire.
So them will be Tell you man I'm there, you make for them. You catch all you go there on guide. That no you do fight you don't see Banku. The only man you on the there. You make for them I don't know to be that out there. But if a fool 0 degree.
Ah, Obabu Basia Saba Banku.
I mean, everybody to match my words now. I'm telling you something.
I don't know that Ben.
And the time I don't know that Ben was there at the right time.
Master, he's a boss. I say, Powers is a boss. He's a good boss. Also, Obebu I don't think also Obebu Powers is Obebu maybe. Wow, time na me wa much phone. You were Papo Alote. You were Obi a friend Apuba Kote. Any boy be back. Semi book Kinjeria. Kinjeria also Bebu Rastaman also Obebumi. The 3 people in Salom. Wait to me, wait to me, wait to me, wait. Your best in there, sir. Don't take that. Yes.
Abono and just a power soon to me.
Listen, Powers better to me Abu Basti. because boss ni ye dinu sa say mabu powers na basti baba bu me powers into me basti maybe powers to me abu basti but me person me catch powers say if you read Romans 8 chapter 31
Romans 8
chapter 31 if God dey your back any animal can catch you. If man lose boss in there lose them a womb draw womb win womb was a man lose what and yes I dey spoil my everything. Maybe this lose can make me something. You understand me? Maybe this lose can make me something. Or if you power say Yabumi or better me Abu Basti, me I support powers to go and face Basti. Maybe he can win. You understand me?
Bukom, who see Romans 8:31?
If you God dey your back, nobody can guess you.
Okay. I mean, Romans,
if God be with us.
Romans 8:31, I say, what then shall we say in response to these things? If God is for us, who can be against us?
Yes, can you know what I disagree back crying back?
Oh, the Bible me.
That is my quotation.
It's your what?
It's my quotation.
Okay. Maybe I think I am no crasa. Oko TB Joshua no catch us say enche powers you be born egu ni masi.
But I say my make sure be out there. He can't say for the thing that thing. You never Bangkok, but I can't say Bangkok will be disgraced. You understand me? Because Bangkok there, the fan one me can't say you got people to order. No, you never come. Ochina, but no people say what.
Master, I'm not a Christian. You understand me? Powers is a Christian. He can go to TB Joshua. I have the big pastors in the nation. So I can travel from my nation to go and see TB Joshua. You understand? Nigeria people, omo Nigeria, omo about them. So say a pastor. Oh, your baby monu. Oh, see, bosses there for Nigeria. Or TB Joshua see or your pastor. Omo no far wet at me. I'm a Muslim. If a bad thing come my way, I'm a Muslim. If you good things come my way, I'm a Muslim. Me, I'm not a Christian. I'm the Muslim. You understand? I mean, I follow Muslim rules. If the powers is a Christian to go to TB Joshua see or say I'm okay. I'm lose the fight. Ghanaians, I'm lose the fight.
I take powers. Yes, sir. Banku edifici one crying no. Ojo. A hawk kakra still I affect you no cray. Ojo punches nibi hit Ojo. I'm still I affect you to me cheddar and win now name to na there. No cray.
Me I say power. Also me now we can attempt a way about me. Can you believe? Me I can't do what?
You can't chew pork.
Me, I mean, the fight me I fight back. It's not a fight difficult for me. I have a difficult fight, I know.
Yes, sir, no creative what's artificial teeth. You sing artificial.
But me, the you know, this is not my channel. I go to. Sing now, I go to. I got video. I got video for us. Ọ̀rẹ́ ti mi àtọ̀ ẹ́ ìjẹta go tip náà ń tẹ̀ akọ́mọdé ni tẹ́tẹ́ntẹ́ ọ̀kẹ́kẹ́ mi tẹ̀ máa tọ́ mi káà mi sáà náà ọ̀kẹ́kẹ́ mi kọ̀ọ̀kan tẹ̀ máa tọ́ mi káà ọdún ìtẹ́ mi ìdí káà náà kọ repair.
Powers wá fẹ́ Basti wá fẹ́ no.
Not my friend o Basti is not my friend. You understand me? Banku is my friend. Basti is not my friend. Why I have to call Basti?
Na Banku no shoot fight one friend no. Besi ne.
So on be beko so.
Me and Yami. See there. Master,
I say Wabu and Kofobi Briaco, Abruchi, now casting Kofobi Basse, Boamo, no police, one warm.
Master, me a commander, and I'm a minister.
I let your first year.
Good at you. No commander, and now me a minister. Allow me your friend youth employment. And now your mommy post to say, me for Obimba police. Master, don't mama sika no tafrate. So akome dimia. Na me friend no mama sika. Enye say me di o because me I the boys no one year chance no the big or the obi ko abrochi. Maybe or did he obi sika na de bia wo face court. Me dey me face court. Yo aduma no na wo ye no ono na wo benya problem wo mu. Wo say wo do obi ko abrochi a emfa me medical bi akọ abrochi da. Sese apo me ko renew America visa. Me na me wife. Say America do me what paper. Me what P1. My failure me at the same time where me banu the picking at the half me na me show or I have the money me will buy it me na me show money na two go SS I hate the boys somebody I get me way somebody down listen to me it be any oh, it be 30 minutes. Mini blaster. Maya blaster. I hate the boys. He can change here for 4. Got to be for 4. Be a new. Gang back.
4 plus 4.
4 plus 4. Change here for. Listen to me. Change here for to be a 4. And the way again. Power said the way again. You talk. They listen to you. And where?
Tashi.
Oh, you be a treasure, the boys. Meaning, here. Hey, I hate the boys. Oh, I hate the boys. Quick. I hate the boys. I hate the boys. I hate the boys. Listen to me. Me, I don't listen to any advice because somebody will give you advice, you go trouble. Somebody will give you advice, you benefit. Or me, I don't listen to anybody advice. Only listen to me. Quick, Powers, listen to me. Quick, Master. Me, Buko Banku, I don't listen to anybody advice in the nation because somebody will give you advice, you go trouble. Somebody will give advice, you can. I hate the boys. Listen to me. Mabo Ashineke. Come on. Somebody will give you advice, you go trouble. Somebody will give you advice, you benefit. Only advice me at the list. At the list in my home. Me, I don't trust anybody in there, including my wife. How can you trust somebody? How can you trust my bed? King Jerry sit here. I don't trust King Jerry.
Powers Obeko ba yasu banku our colleague no ni buko nwa na o doji utite ayanukre. Yasi hu na o banku a awo buko are na ho colleague no na dia. Oh no wa doji utumi dum ka no wa tinam sa banku twem ansana obeba ayanukre.
Banku forward. I'm scared of Banku forward. May you Banku na mazwani ade madi Banku ga.
Master, I hate the Powers.
Okay, so
I hate the Powers. Bibi yan.
Me ba men kasa. Oh yeah, different men. But Powers Banku ba ya no se wo di ope apetesi pa. Onu ma pio pa o.
But me family members. I don't care. But over there, or you sister number, you brother's number,
Jai.
Master, Mamu audio Jalunonka. Master, when I sleep with my sisters, I sleep with my friends. Powers, so what can we do to you?
Powers, Jai, untu, Debbie, man, Kasa.
Master, Momunka, listen to me. All the ladies, they like me. Or if I sleep with somebody, I don't care. Me wa copy.
I don't care radio too.
Okay, sorry. Master, me wa bibi. No, I can see it. Media, all the guys they like it. By the grace of God, you will come on. You beat the Bastille.
Two patches over the BBs. Over Bastille, some Babu Banku.
I hit the point. By the grace of God, you, if you go to fight by system, you will win. Me, I dare your back.
Okay, Powers,
you win.
Thanks so much for your time. Me dansi bebre Banku. Remember fight in the subium. Punches no. The Lande or the Olande yet, and then Nioma or Widiamu Niatina. Members to Cecilia Mamina, wait, Cecilia number I Casapa 102.5 FM. Johnny Abewaga 2 so to the power 7. Minute Brahma Kamoku, Bukom Banku, and I will have and then Anopi. And Chame activity 4 lines no. Now, so the Obia Osodi are dying. Stay tuned.
The subtitle will be against Patu and Fun.
Now let you need to
the subtitle will be against Patu. Against
let you need to dollar.
TV, T-shirt,
Zongo friend you. Well, see me young chap you Zongo, far for far. What from you? Oh, Chale, you are corner.
Why?
A story about love and betrayal. GH1 presents the new exciting telenovela, Timeless Love. You should never have stood in my way, Regina. Never. My baby! They kidnapped my daughter! A young girl in Nazareth kidnapped and raped an false pretense to her and has to survive
Master, is it planting they do? Where oh, don't mind them. Master, don't mind them. Oh, they made a fight like a politics. They don't mind them.
This small cat. Oh, they come like it be like, oh, no, if you fight again.
Master,
sure. Because they cut the OP like this something, but they fight.
Oh, no. Oh,
this is not a cat.
Oh, I'm losing the fight. Well, understand that I'm losing. Oh, me I understand. If somebody thought A, B, I don't care.
This one, when it's correct, it's one. They can't go with the song. They can't go with your song right now. This cat,
Master, if you go that somebody get a cat tomorrow come and fight. Don't mind them. Master, they make the fight like a politics, but I don't care how many English member. Well, if you shoot me, no how many Pause in that rush hour. Oh, pause in the wife here. I shall go meeting what's up. Kisha, oh, pause in. Yes, Master, pause in the wife in the shower. Oh,
Power's wife.
I swear by the I swear. Ah, pause on me free.
Amelga. Oh, Amelga, if he's from your side there.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Star 103.5 FM for more information. Year after year, we've been rewarding explicit radio and television personalities and companies that took over the airwaves. It's the 7th year and it's going to be more rewarding. The 7th Adoka RTP Awards 2017. Who carries the awards slated for the various categories? Let's Converge at the International Conference Center, 28th of October 2017, 8 p.m. sharp.
This is the set.
Massive performances from the Evergreen, sexy dancehall queen, Ebony.
Welcome,
Who is the man of the moment? Special guest of honor, His Excellency Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia, Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, President the ceremony will be His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, former President of the Republic of Ghana, and Dr. Bodi Abje, Head Pastor, the Lakers House Chapel International. Tickets go for 200 Ghana cedis ground floor and 100 Ghana cedis out of floor. You can buy tickets at Silverbed Cinemas, Kuala, Peace FM, Airport Shell, West Hills Mall, Achimota Mall, and Junction Mall. For Kasapa FM to win more awards, vote for us now. For Powerful One to win radio news.
Masa, guess for because of politics,
EIB Media Network to win the Media Group of the Year award. EIB 21446. The 7th Adonko RTP Awards is brought to you by Adonko Bitters, Jazz Washing Powder, Unibank, Special Drinks.
Masa, boss, there's a Uluzwa. You're buying so too,
Sumisura by Abdul, Glory Oil, Holiday Inn Accra Airport, Innovate Advertising, Eden Securities, African Homecoming Project, DSTV Ghana, GoTV Ghana, SICK Microfinance, Royal Didi Hotels, and Vital Fruit Drinks. The 7th Adonko RTP Awards, the night beyond, dreaming gold. This event is powered by Big Events Ghana.
Alright, 102.5 FM Kasapa Ajibebia Gatusu the Pastor Shonia Bewa Monday to Friday 10 a.m. to 12 midday and I got to midday Ejwede Ebreo Mewa Brahma Kamoku Bukom Banku our studio ha we are the first interviewer or granted after the bout or no Bia and Kasai we are the first interviewer or granted Brahma Kamoku ni Obia Kasai we are the friend Omba and Yadia Obeba. Hello, me Male. Manquaba. I wish you for a live on Kasapa 102.5 FM on Facebook and SVTV Africa on Facebook. Where Nenyo Neba Manqua, you were touching against Katini again.
Against what you do, you be the loser. Don't you know Sebuko Bankum be the winner? Cause every day we don't pray to Jehovah. La la la, la 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 la. La la la, la 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 la. La la la, la 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 la. La 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 la. Ekpakpa komito, mafia nyeda. Kenye chomi se nye fiti omida. O baba, obi baba, noche baba. Jelu nilu, makainu mabomida. Ikoko noko, enye lota omikra. Kinjeri wiringeva homa Beko washe, nyonyami himbetre. Angbemo against it yo hemo. Angbemo against it yo hemo. Angbemo overstate yo hemo. Ashwe.
Anukwale Ashwe. Banku. Yes. Ujina member few of colleagues my friend said.
Gladys Duru. Gladys. And this is Kinjerio, the best musician of Accra. When a castle know the musician in Accra. Yes. If the castle know the one say on the Zambo Castle.
Oh yeah then.
One say on the castle the twins. On your to nim papa will be an Kinjeri there. Yes, master.
The voice near there. Also, wife your friend say
Gladys Duru.
Gladys Duru.
But they did a Chinyere.
I said you're saying.
Igbo. Yes, Nigeria. Or Nigerian. But they born in Accra, or we are all Ghanaians. But I'm a Mali, but they born me in Accra, or me I'm a Ghana man. Yeah.
Okay. Me say Odi will be common. Or you should optimal hair relaxer. The trim in our chair. So you should a Malaysia say you should only date. Yeah, the optimal of fair promotion about.
Yeah.
Optimal of fair promotion. We talk Kate Nibia. We go say scratch we stick a lip carry pack now. O scratch pay unique code be all star code no sell it 1393. Yeah, check TV set Kesepa. Christmas we have some for the pa man. Ghana man ya failure mo pa. So mo chele pa. Inti book up. What's what you want here?
Oh, no, only back. No, only back.
Only one wife.
Only my girlfriend in my back. Only Kate.
Until you didn't say girlfriend.
Only
nice one. Girlfriend, if I told you you to optimal hair relaxer, why? Said they also be to me, we need TV sets, maybe. No, we need mobile phones, brand new mobile phones, type B. Optimal for any promotion we have. And one say you need code to better to 1393. No way we need. The more you enter, the better your chances of winning. Optima, the relaxer expert. And Sapapa dear, Banku Ona Unyao and Sapapa. One of Musada. Debbie, whoa, By your own Sapapa. So you go pa, who did it out Philippa? And mommy, Kijari, one of Musada. Ususa, hey, and a moment, you in Sapapa dear, and one Alomo bitters. Alomo bitters, and Moses Simuya Dempa, and my own to be Bieja, and my Kale was so yet day. Who face your banner to say, oh, one you could feel, yes. If I just send you Alomo Massa for Derek, look, Daddy, I'm not for say after the bout to the Yadi Oko colleague. Massa. I'm do call colleague. On me catch you say, boss, yes, I will lose. People will talk something about in the Yadi. Master, after about listen to me, I'm not going anywhere. After about me, Babuko, Bisobia. After Buko Collegono, early in the morning, no idea Buko. Master, I tell you that I don't hear me was inside the Meko Collegono. Yeah, the police round 3, no, tell me sorry. And now sleep. And you sleep. Master, on your point, I have good point in a me call from punch in a mouth for punch. And yes, sleep. Punch no. But still punching. It's gone direct for my chain. And now go down. Me sorry. I'm continuing the fight. Or they see me. Now me sorry. Now me sorry. I mean back 4 me winning, 5 me winning, 6 me winning, 7 now me winning left. Say Mojamba, say Mojamba. Left no stop fight me. How they? Master, Musha clipping no Okona no omo accept. Say doctor see yes stop for the run away. Want to me yes me that man coach you or your best coach in Africa. Now the same time he's training me hard. He's training him to win all the fight. Or if today I'm lose, I'm not tell you that my coach is no good. Doctor can't say yes stop a fight no. O coach ni accept or jitu. That be me coach ni so only corner no. Only the woman corner. But different doctor doctor another corner. You understand me? I want me be coach and then now hear me. No see yen stop fight no. Moja we kakra no see yen stop fight no. Master, me person me catch Ghana for say boxing is the game of chance. I'm losing the fight. You can insult me, you can call me to insult me. I don't care. I'm losing the fight, but I'm going back to training how to come with the fight. Boxers are but still exceptional now, or a different boxer now. Oh, but see there, Master, Tio, but see there, me person me catch Obi say Basi is not the good boxer. Basi is a good boxer. Master, he's a strong man. He's a good boxer. He have the coach, good coach, Coach Asari. Coach Asari. Yes, he also is a good coach. Coach Asari is training me before to go South Africa to go and take bronze. Coach Asari is the amateur. The time I go to amateur. Master, I'm losing the fight. But the way they stop the fight is no fine, Master. I'm losing the fight. I'm accept that I'm losing the fight. But the way the referee and the doctor do say me to me, and then I am no matter what's protection. Matter somebody come. You better to me a no better form or better sorrow or better cut down or better sorrow or better cut down. But you better count is go to fight. But the way the doctor they come to me, I don't go down again. And master fight away the pressure or eye problem. Me was high problem before, but I'm going to do surgery long time. Until when you need be okay. Master, say I talk Kasapa 102.5. Aji baby. Master, say me high problem and I'm booby. Somebody blind and or booby. Boss, it be over your problem. Ubenya problem. Ubenya problem. Ubenya if you go to America, somebody have the eye problem. If you come with you at body. Oh, Master, baby, I hear you. we show this.
Master, time na me ba no. Master, na me ba radio no who say bibi yem. The time I dey working to come your studio who say bibi. Bibi I yem.
Baby, I saw what did they see?
Oh, master.
Master hospital.
Me come bibi. Master,
whether you win,
listen to me.
Hospital.
Say doctor see. Say say o say o me do akọ 37. Omuso on me akọ Kolebulu. Ye free 37 say after the fight Bugo Bankuba ho. Ye free Kolebulu e no mu sam say after the fight Bugo Bankuba ho. Mafa. E down. Na e talking
ana one nom odido.
A talking printer can know hear Jeff man. One go. Me dem Pedro.
No painkiller.
Oh, Master, this is my best friend. You know my everything. You can ask my wife, Gladys Duru, and my girlfriend. If you are drinking Odido, they will tell you. If you go Kolebu, they will tell you.
Banco,
yes,
boxing professional. Great, young one will be persuaded. A cum. Obey advice you say,
Master, bossing, Sika will bossing. Or if somebody go to fight the bossing, I'll give you advice to training hard. You are
the
oh, Master, bossing, mommy, and bossing na maya bibia bossing money and the film acting small the money I dey get to solve my picking.
Sky na when you are boxing.
Oh, I can't count it.
What do you mean here?
I can't count it. I can't read it.
You can't read what?
The money I dey get into the bossing.
Ah, now Sky you read it.
It's my whole English. Master, me if you have money, I'll solve with my people in my area. You want me all the time, Nyami want me back. Master, if you do everything good, you can do parties one thing. If you are winning all my bat and today I'm loser, it doesn't mean I know the
one officer or town power or boxing career. I person will be succeed. Maya.
Master, me the minimum. Me the minimum so obi tamia, obi su, so obi tamia, obi pay. Master, if you jealous with somebody like me in the world, including, listen to me, our president Nana Akufo-Addo, Mr. Excellency, oh no, say NDC for Omumpenu, Anamiwa, NDC for Omumpenu, MPP for Pe, listen to me, I say MPP for Omumpe Nana Akufo-Addo, NDC for Omumpe Nana Akufo-Addo. Well, Debia who or lose. John Draman Mama, MPP for Omumpenu. You understand? Well, boss, if you are a woman being, you get the enemies. You understand me? Master, you know that you have enemies.
Yeah.
And then why? Yes, and then why?
Master,
I can't listen anybody advice. Only advice are they listening. Semikoya bibi I saw you good, and yeah, me yeah. So me I take my own advice.
Mangu. Sikasa never about it. Sikasa na unyai.
Oh,
after the fight, even though you see it, Sikasa na unyai.
Where they saw about house, where they me and you.
Banaska woman.
Oh, master, bossing, master.
Upon your book, grass cow.
Master, me cost school be that. I put my mind all into the bossing because bossing is my favorite.
I bet you may see die.
Oh.
I bet you may see that.
Oh, David, Master, boss, there's a hook of our area. Your fans, baby. Your fans, baby. Your close friend,
100,000 Ghana cedis.
Jay Nakai.
1 billion.
Baby,
old Ghana.
Jay Nakai.
1 billion.
Master, and yes, sir.
1 billion.
Baby, and yes, sir. Master, 500 million they pay me.
550,000. Cash.
You can ask the promoter. I will give you the number.
I have his number. Cash.
Catch him say, so say 1 million. Mebodua. Mebodua. 5 million. 5 million. On my half na the training. Oh, master, me
25,000 Ghana city, 250 million some fund trading.
Yes.
It will be a year now.
On pay me over 20 fund. Over mommy balance.
Bastin in 100,000.
Oh, they send me the basu go ebe to abasi chain. I put oh.
It even though Lucy and the child same Basti.
Who see there?
Even though I will lose about them. When you see Cassin Basti.
Me there, yeah, mommy 5. But me ni baby and to Basti. Oh, yes. Because
All right. We share from Munjani on the phone lines now 0302260211 0302260212. I Kasapa 102.5 FM. Sure, I got 2 so to the power 7. Brema Kamoku Bukom Banku Awa live on Facebook Kasapa 102.5 FM on Facebook and HVTV on Facebook, which we are joining me on the phone lines. Sisia Brema Kamoku jealousy against.
Kasapa FM.
What should they do? You be the loser. Don't you know Sepuko Banko be a loser? Every day you don't pray to Jehovah. Oh la la la, la 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 la, against the food chai. Hi, la 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 la, la la la, Boka Powesi, la la la, Boka Powesi. Mafia Yeda, can you tell me say you fit your mida? Oh Baba, Obi Baba, no chair Baba. Jalu Nilu, Naganyu Mabo Mida. Ikakodoko Yelata Migra. Kijari, Minigaba Oma, Beko Basha, Shoyami, Vetre, Bopawes, Como in Ion. Obat no let us say, why the boys, me getting Jerry, Obato for you. Guess it, yo.
All right, 102.5 FM. Hello, good morning. Many to say, Elios. Nice one, you Bukom Bankua.
Yes, Daddy. Oh. Me Fiobia. Me say Efra 37. Efra Kolebu Lage Rimiaba, Bemi Miyari.
Oh, stop box no. I have to stop for the brand. Oh, next year.
Don't worry, me de nyam me penny. Momuka, me contact the 7 me go there.
Right. I know the base I mean I say. Hello, good morning. We've had your 1 year. Moses, you prefer Valley View. Moses, you ain't Bukom Bankoa.
Me send me back in France. I want to be announced. Another time, I'll be winning. Lemon got to do Messor said, you probably know how the only passion of nothing almost to man on home the end. Tree in that time.
The pub you by.
Our name, I eat there no to money on home.
Right, we get me dance it. Right. Hello, morning. You got your any?
But the time, it's a Pashama.
Okay, you see.
I shall watch him. Ghana. You come out some money, Mia, Salam alaikum.
Maliku Salem.
Yano, you actually Moko, Bolivia, at Muslim,
Ofani, you. I'm sorry for all the Muslims did for this shit. Thank you.
Now, friend, all kinds of we, Bukum Bankum, Ninianum Ba, New Enjoy, but I yet any yet, we, to say, I've got on Moody, Techna, after the best say, ye, Sadian, cream, ye, we are dog, ye, you go back to me now, be a say, but always back to you, so. Let's say, my own fat, but now I'm saying we go push we and self in idea of why you are Jimmy. It's Katapa, Yamisha.
All right. Thank you very much, my brother. Hello, morning. I got a move favor. Hi, Kasapa FM, Madabraka, you.
And you know, I think about the book back with Yakapo. That is when I uncle back no military, no Pesigano, because the one you need to support time, you know, all my very catra. And you know, Oba Babaka, only thing, not that is the guy.
Okay, that's it. Hello. Many are saying good morning. I said, Bako Asham and you.
Never catch a book on one weekend. The good president, you will be on and get you. You can all one get.
Fancy that you.
They call you popular.
It's true. Mbajobu, Onu. Well, me telling if fancy fair, all my fans accept that I'm lose the fight. But I'll go back to correct my mistake. I will be Basti because all the runs they go, me are the lead. Bankueba.
All right, I said, Medase, Mefa, Menescola, Bankubanka, Sinoma Bibri, why Ediama Ghana boxing. Manfua, 2D, boxing, after I caught him, and Joseph Agbekomu, Kodan Kakaba, what's I left Ghana boxing now? Be himself. I'm more appreciative Nyoma, why am I Ghana?
And Ghana boxing, or that. Mina yeah, Ghana boss in it. Sebaluzu cry, Mina Miswa. What we say, Bastidie, Master, Mikacho say, Bastidie or a good bosser. But Basti on to me, Master, on to me, David, still on to you, Master, Basti to me, bossy, because if you watch the game, 1-2 at the lead, 3 at the go down, Basti are winning 4. At the win 5 at the win 6 at the win. Now about 7. Na moja mbana left you. Doctor Catchell left you say moja won't stop.
I'm in fact call away. Good morning. We back your wine. Okay, you.
Papa. I the first one, Papa, Korea. But nothing. But I like that. Never. You know, maybe I'm not going to come there, maybe I could be king, Nama. I want them to happen from that. But it is all your training now. The master and son so back from Kakra.
Oh, no one, sir. Bangusha or no one, sir. Okay, thank you. Hello. Good morning, Bachowani. Hey, Abraphobia, show. Yentio Abraphobia.
Oh, me too. Yes. Okay. Oh, me too, yeah. It's me.
Be a two so now you come to look at it. So I couldn't so on there. And what because Marika Sancho or boss number 1 oh Ghana. But put your rules there when the first time rules. But we come to me show what say. Yeah, first next to me and so say what say. Oh my remark because I want to 2 years in Ghana because you're similar yesterday. Now, what like you know, but minimum say, oh, you but in the secretary of Baya, but you get a remark.
Abraphobia made us one family scholar na Yarapia. Hello, good morning. About your way. Hey, Jenny Mo, Yanko. Namiado, Mukumwa.
No, I say we don't know. No, you are winning. You brought one. I'm not doing anything. I will walk in bar.
Okay, Ejenimo. Mate, me na say.
Boss, there say who bragging? I don't think anybody. You bragging.
Fans to support us.
Master, me catch a Ghana for that. If you know bragging, I can look at me what the fact. I'm bragging. I will brag any day, anytime. If you go America, Muhammad Ali is bragging. Mayweather is bragging. I the boys to do WhatsApp is bragging. I the boys is the locality WhatsApp in Ghana for his bragging. I the boys if you do is the locality. Listen to me. I say I the boys is the locality. The most useless boss in Ghana. I the boys on no for his bragging. The time go to fight me say he go to fire. I'm the world friend. I'm the I the boys. Look at all this. Master, let me bragging the Ghana boss coming forward because the time I quarter no day, Azuma no day, me I they carry the Ghana bosses. Ghana boss. Wow, me na miswa. Master, say me lose fight here and you say me to me, yes.
Thanks so much for your time.
Yeah, I want to tell all the Ghanaians to support me more because I'll come and fight the 6th of March. Basti Same, he can't fit me. Only the doctor, Master, doctor, doctor no any left in you, or no, or demi.
On your can't doctor any refuge.
Ah, doctor no one Mojamba. Now left in you say on show me name. Fine. No show me name or catch a doctor no say Mojamba stop. Sure say Uber yeah. Uber checking also. Son, what catch a number? Master, listen. Now me Mama sign say, God go bless you any day. God, you go get more money, plenty money because Master. Now,
okay. Thanks so much for your time. And thank you for. I love you to my production team, Ben Duka, DJ Nyame, and Alexis. Good job, and executive. Champion producer Bola Red Adam and Jay, head of sports, our Kasapa FM and our sports screening now. Thank you so much. Gideon and Jenim got to show to the past 7, the business manager Patrick Ameni, more fire boss, you could your programs manager. I salute you. And RTP awards winner, I can't newscaster, I will use name. God bless not, let's give you more. Got 2 shows to the past 7. Tomorrow, same time, same station, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m.